Hi everyone, welcome back to another slime video. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting for a little while, but today we're going to review a small package from Peachy Bbies. We're going to review Crystal Boba and Cherry Soda Float. First off, let's review Crystal Boba. You also get a care guide for free, which I really like. You get this thank you card. You get a bracelet. You get a little elephant mochi. And you get stickers. And you get an activator pen. Let's move on to Crystal Boba. This one comes with a baggie of charms, boba pearls, and a straw, a metallic clear 1 ounce slime, and a 7 ounce base. And it smells so good, almost like a berry. This one is also a thick and glossy. This one has such a good base. I absolutely love it. And it looks almost like taro bubble tea. I really like this one because I'm a huge fan of boba. Time to assemble. And I just noticed there's like dried out pink slime on the lid. And this is the only Peachy Bbies slime I opened. So it has to be this slime. I just found that a little weird, but anyways, let's feel the metallic base. And it smells just the same, except a little less strong. It has a bunch of the clear little boba beads, as you can see. Some look like a light yellow and some look like a light pink. It almost feels like a different texture than a thick coated clear because of the beads. It is also so clear, it almost looks like there's nothing there. Now I am gonna try and get a little swirl. There was not that much slime, so it was a bit hard to do a swirl, but I think I did pretty good. You get even more little beads. I love how many boba beads you get. I think that really pulls together the whole slime. You also get little stars too, which I think is so cute. This bag might be one of my favorite add-ons. And then you get the boba straw. It took a little while to assemble, but the overall product is so good. You have a boba straw, a heart charm, and 2 stars, and a bunch of beads. Actually, 3 stars. And then 3, 2, 1. It is overall just the same, thick and glossy. It feels the same, except just with the boba beads, which I really like. I overall really recommend this one. I think the theme is so cute. And I love how many boba beads you get, because in some of our other slimes, you don't get that many. But I really do like this one. Ten out of 10, recommend. Next up is Cherry Soda Float. Whoa. So this one has a clear base with an icy, and this one makes one of my favorite textures ever. It has this cute little cherry thing. I don't exactly know what it says, all you know is the cherry, but it looks so cute. And then it has 2 little cherries in it, just like a Shirley Temple. And Shirley Temples are one of my favorite drinks. The icy feels so soft. And it smells identical to Shirley Temple, the exact same. So here's the final slime. I love how it looks. Let's mix. The clear is more on the thicker side, almost like it's a coated clear, but it's still a really nice slime. I just wish that I was able to feel both textures. By the way, that's the slime. That's how clear it is. I just wish I was able to feel both textures, but it's okay. And 3, 2, 1. The icy is super wet and the clear is really thick. So I think that makes it a good combination. I also really liked how much glitter there was. It's a bit stiff, almost like there's a hair in it. But it's still a really nice texture, and I know because it's going to be summer soon and warm that the slime will be perfect. Not the best ASMR. Well, not the loudest, but it's good ASMR. But it is very stiff, but it is a really good slime, and I love the scent on this slime. Overall, I really liked my package from Peachy Bbies. My favorite was probably Crystal Boba, but I really did like the cherry soda float. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch my other videos and make sure to like and subscribe. And leave a comment on what I should do next. Bye!